Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get back deleted photos on iPhone. First you just need to open the photos. Now you just need to scroll down all the way down and you will find this section, utilities, and here you'll find recently deleted option here. You can just tap on it and it will ask for the passcode that you have saved for your Apple device. So you can just tap on view album. Now you have to enter the passcode here. So let me enter the passcode. Now here you can see all the deleted photos that you have deleted. It will just store in this section. For example, I'm going to delete a photo from here, for example this photo. So I'm going to delete this photo. Here you can see I have just deleted it. Now I'm going to get this recently deleted folder where I can just tap on view album and enter the passcode for verification, and you can see the picture just added here in this recently deleted photo. So in this album each and every photo will store for 30 days. After 30 days it will just automatically delete all these deleted photos or videos that you have deleted from your photos on your iPhone, and you can actually then recover it. So you make sure that you recover all that photos and media that are available on these recently deleted photos. If you need it, then you can just restore it. Make sure that you have restored it before 30 days. So how you can just restore it? If you want to get back it, then you just need to tap on this recover button here at the bottom right corner. Now from here you'll find this recover photo. Tap on it and this photo will be recovered to your photos again at the same place according to the time. So here you can see it has just restored that photo according to times. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.